Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor. It's been a while since we put out any videos, but we've been traveling. We actually had to go to the ocean to see some waves and a lot of rain and a lot of wind. But we're back home now and it's warm, it's real warm, so we decided we're going to do something tropical. And we're going to make a cocktail that originated in an island in the Atlantic Ocean on the island of Bermuda. This is a classic cocktail. It dates back to 1844, and it was originally enjoyed by a lot of the British Army officers that were stationed on the island back then. So, with its roots in the Caribbean, let's get pouring. First off, we are going to start with 2 ounces of Golden Rum. Today we're using Bacardis. And that goes into our shaker. Next, we are going to use 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And you know we're using freshly squeezed because, like my wife says, fresh is best. Next, we are going to use 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier. Going to give it that nice little orange flavor. We are next going to use 1/12 of an ounce, which is about a bar spoon of a simple syrup. That'll sweeten it up. And then the last thing that's going in this cocktail is a little creation called Falernum. And Falernum has its roots in tiki drinks. It is a combination, it's a really interesting tasting syrup. It's got clove in there, it's got anise in there, it has almonds in there. If you like it, if you want to try it, just drop us a message. We'll show you how to make the syrup because I guarantee it's a lot quicker and a lot easier to make this syrup than it is to go out and find it anywhere. And that we're going to use 1/2 of an ounce. And the smell on this stuff is even good. So all that goes into our glass. Now, 1 large ice cube that goes in the shaker. Put the top on the shaker. And give it a good shake to chill it. I think we got it nice and cool. Now this one, we're going to pour it, and what you're going to do, a nice chill coupe glass. So that's going to go out there. And now, the pour. Take one last garnish, and that is going to be 1 wedge of lime. That goes in there. And that is the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club Daiquari. A little bit sour, a lot of delicious. Remember, if you like it, hit the subscribe button, send us your comments.